Welcome to this video tutorial. From previous tutorial, we learned how to use the model view command in SolidWorks. In today's lesson is gonna be the section view, where we're gonna learn how to cut the part in half and see what's going on from the inside. To start with, initially I have to make enough space for the section views, so just move your views on the side. Here is enough, and let's start using the section view. Select section view, vertically, and you have to point the center of the part. Select OK. Left click, and on the left hand side, on the section line properties, you can flip the direction of these arrows. You can also change the letter, let's say A. You can also change the font of that letter. Okay, as soon as you're happy with the results, you will press OK. Let's have a look of how to use a section view one more time, but horizontally. Section view, cutting line, horizontally. We need to enter the center from this line to this line here. So once you point your mouse here, you can tell that this is a center point of this line and this line here. So left click, select OK. Select left click one more time to finish the process. Again, from here, I can flip direction. I can change the letter, let's say B. And as soon as you are happy with the result, you press OK. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Next tutorial, we're gonna have a look of how to use a detail view. See you next time.